This is a figure you probably are most familiar with from the most recent Captain America films, perhaps Ant-Man, perhaps Avengers Age of Ultron. This is Sam Wilson, the Falcon, from Marvel's Gold Collector's Edition by Toy Biz from 1999. And I believe these Marvel's Gold, they took figures from other Toy Biz lines and then kind of repackaged them as the Collector's Edition. I don't know if that's like a to try to make some more money or something. I don't know, make them seem more valuable. So Sam Wilson has first appeared in Captain America number 117 by Stan Lee and Gene Colan. If you want to know his height and weight and eyes and hair, they're right there. He has a Falcon named Red Wing. They're kind of telepathically linked. He can fly because of his wings. He's trained by Captain America, so he's pretty strong. And I would say the most popular Falcon figure is this guy right here, the Secret Wars Falcon. There was also a Mego Falcon figure and a Marvel Comics. I think they're called the classic covers. They're like the, are they 12-inch, maybe 10-inch? They're more like doll-like type of figures. So yeah, so he's pretty cool. Also, too, Captain America teamed up with him. He actually had the kind of the secondary, I don't know which one to call it, but I had his name on the cover of some of the Captain America stories by Jack Kirby when Kirby came back. I think it was around issue it was in the 190s, because this collects 206 to 214 and annuals 3 and 4. So and these are actually some good reads. These are cool. A lot of people kind of bash Kirby's. Not really bash, but they're not big fans of Kirby's return to Marvel, but I think they're good. You have people like, is it Arnim Zola, is that his name? You know, you have some bizarre stuff in here, and, you know, they're fun reads, they're cool. Yeah, there's Arnim Zola right there. You got Sam Wilson, the Falcon. So I would check those out if you like the Falcon or Captain America, or watched or read any of the different things with him. So we're gonna bust this guy open. The card, or the bubble, just kind of popped right off there. This will be a cool addition to the collection, because he's a cool character in the movie. He's very cool. He helps out Captain America. They're buds. And also, again, it's always nice to have some diversity in your toy lines. He's one of the few African American superheroes in the Marvel Universe. The other big one, obviously, being Black Panther. So he was a nice addition to the Marvel lineup. I think it would be cool if they gave him his own film. I mean, if Ant-Man can have a film, but I think the Falcon can. So he's got a glove here, I guess, for his Falcon Red Wing to perch upon. Maybe he can fight with Raptor from G.I. Joe. Redman's claws are very soft. They're hard to get on the perch. There we go. He's articulated a lot like some of the Spider-Man kind of web force, web action ones. I have a Daredevil figure that some of the joints look the same. So maybe that might be what he originally came from, and then they just repackaged them for the Marvel Gold. I don't know, I guess they probably had some molds and wanted to sell more, and I guess you put things like Marvel Gold, and there's some other ones too, like Villains. There's in the back of it looks sort of like the diamond plated, and there's one where it's just kind of like Actually, I opened one. I don't know, it's just kind of a generic background, and reusing some of the Toy Biz figures. And I would assume they do that just to obviously make some more money. And, I mean, releasing figures as well that people might want. But I don't know how many people are clamoring for like a Moondragon figure or some of the other lesser known characters. So Toy Biz probably just did that to make a few more bucks. The nice thing about these is that they started giving it more articulation. But the downside is they started giving it more articulation, and they're kind of hard to stand, especially the ankle articulation. You really gotta mess with the feet to get them to stand up. One of my pet peeves is action figures that aren't easy to stand. I'm sure the Falcon on his arm throws off his weight balance. Oh well. Well, this was Sam Wilson, the Falcon, with his Falcon Red Wing from the Marvel Gold Collector's Edition line from Toy Biz, 1999. I'm going to spend probably the rest of my afternoon trying to get him to stand. But thanks for watching, and hopefully one day Mr. Sam Wilson gets his own film.